Two stories, two bedrooms, two bathrooms, all just minutes from the beach. I'm Monica Glasser from Benchmark Real Estate Cairns. We're driven, we're passionate, and we're here at Unit 41, Majestic Palms, Yorkeys Knob. This modern unit is packed with features you'll love. Enjoy the ease of lift access, underground secure parking, and a sparkling pool right at your doorstep. With a reasonable body corporate, this property ticks the boxes for both homeowners and investors. And the location? Just moments from the beach, local shops, cafés, and the school. Everything you need is right here. Modern, affordable, and coastal. This is Yorkeys Knob living at its best.
Absolutely packed with features, this apartment is an amazing opportunity for home buyers and investors alike. With a rent return of between $550 to $600 a week, it makes a lot of sense. We are Benchmark Real Estate Cairns, where our service is your benchmark.